Have you ever had that gut feeling that something's off? You're tired, wired, anxious for no reason, and no matter how clean you eat, how hard you train, how many supplements you take, you're still living life on the edge? Well, let me ask you something. What's your HRV right now? Hi, I'm Mike McPherson, co-owner of Align, and if you can't answer that question, you're going to want to stay tuned for this video because knowing this number might change your life. If you don't know, that's your first red flag. HRV, or heart rate variability, is not just some geeky metric for athletes. It's the single most powerful real-time measurement of how well your nervous system is functioning. It tells your body if it's in a fight or flight or if it's in rest and repair. And most people are walking around today and they're stuck in survival mode. Chronic dysregulation. And that's not just uncomfortable, that's downright dangerous. Low HRV is one of the strongest predictors of all-cause mortality. Heart disease, sudden cardiac death, neurodegeneration, diabetes, and even depression. Low HRV precedes symptoms. By the time your body throws up the white flag with a panic attack or an autoimmune flare, it's already been screaming for help for years. And here's the worst part. We're living in an invisible war zone. Wi-Fi, 5G, EMFs from your phone, your car, your AirPods are all slowly frying your nervous system. Not enough to knock you out, just enough to keep you in a permanent low-grade stress response. High cortisol, shallow breathing, poor sleep. That's your HRV in free fall. But there is a way out. And it's pulse electromagnetic field therapy, or PEMF. It's like giving your cells the rhythm they forgot they needed. And no, it's not woo-woo. It's physics. PEMF, pulsed electromagnetic field therapy, pulses, waves, and stimulate your mitochondria, recharge your ATP, and most importantly, balance your autonomic nervous system. In simple terms, it helps your body remember how to relax. When you lie on a PEMF mat, especially ones tuned to the earth heartbeat or the natural frequencies around 7.83 hertz, you're syncing your internal rhythm with the most primal regenerative signal your body has ever known. And the results, they're measurable. I've seen HRV double in weeks. People go from 25 to 50, 40 to 80. That's not just a better night's sleep, but it restored vagal tone, stronger immunity, emotional stability, and metabolic health. Now let's be clear. This isn't about optimization anymore. It's about survival. You're either calming your nervous system or you're shortening your life. You can't afford to wait for a diagnosis to start healing. And I get it. Maybe it sounds too simple. Lay down on a mat and your life changes. Yes, because we've become too disconnected from nature. PEMF is your bridge back. It's your reset button for your body's most foundational systems. Don't wait for a heart attack. Don't wait for a mental breakdown. Your nervous system is asking for help right now. If you care about your family, your future, your purpose, anything in your life, you want more than just to survive. You want to thrive. Start tracking your HRV and let PEMF become your daily anchor. It's gentle, it's safe, and if used consistently, it can save your life.